StudyMojo.com.
We are continuing 12th chapter, areas related to circles. Next question is also from exercise 12.2. Question number 9. The question is, a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with a diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find the total length of the silver wire required. First part is the total length of the silver wire required. Second part is the area of each sector of the brooch. These are the two parts we have to find out. Given diameter is 35 millimeter, diameter is equal to 35 millimeter. Therefore, radius R is equal to 35 by 2 millimeter. And there are 10 sectors. It is divided into 10 sectors and 5 diameters. We have to find out. First part is the total length of silver wire required. The total length of silver wire required. Second part, the area of each sector of the brooch. The area of each sector of the brooch. The figure is five diameters are there, and each diameter 5 diameters, and diameter is 35 millimeter is given to be diameter as 35 millimeter. Length of one diameter is 35 millimeter. So, first of all, we are going to find out the length of silver wire required is equal to 5D, means 5 diameter plus circumference of the circle is also made using the silver wire. Circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. 5D plus 2 pi r means 5D plus 2 pi r can also be written as pi d. Pi d. Now, d can be taken as a common factor. D into 5 plus pi. Giving values, diameter d is equal to 35 into 5 plus 22 by 7. Simplifying, 35 into 5 into 7, 35 plus 22, the whole divided by 7 millimeter. This is equal to 35 into 35 plus 22 is equal to 57 divided by 7. This 7 and 35 cancelling gives 5. Then 5 into 57 is equal to 285 millimeter is the total length of the silver wire required to make this brooch is 285 millimeter. First part is over. Now, second part we have to find out the area of each sector. Second part is area of each sector. The area of a sector is theta by 360. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Here we have to find out the value of theta. Total angle around a point is 360 degree. Theta is equal to, total angle is 360 divided by, there are 10 such sectors. So, divided by 10. This is equal to 36 degree. Theta, the value of theta is 36 degree. So, the equation becomes 36 by 360 into pi, 22 by 7. Into r square. R means 30 radius. Radius r is equal to 35 by 2. 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. So much millimeter square. Now, cancelling 36 and 360, we are getting 10 in the denominator. This 7 and 35 is cancelling, leaves 5. Now, 2 and 22. leaves 11. The remaining factors 11 into 5 into 35 divided by 10 into 2, 20. This is equal to 55 into 35. 1925 divided by 20. 1925 divided by 20. Cancelling with the 5, we are getting 385 divided by 4 millimeter square. This is the area of each sector formed by the bruise, formed by the 10 diameters. When there are 5 diameters, there are 10 sectors also. Each sector is of the form theta here also theta, then the value of theta we can find out dividing the total angle. Total angle around a point is 360 degree and dividing it by 10 we are getting 36 degree. Giving that value theta by 360 into pi r square, 36 by 360, the value of pi is 22 by 7, then radius r is equal to 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Simplifying, we are getting it as 385 by 4 millimeter square. That is area of each sector is 385 by 4 millimeter square, and total length of silver wire required is equal to 5 diameters plus circumference of the circle, that is 5d plus 2 pi r. 2 pi r can also be written as pi d, means 2r is equal to diameter d and 5d plus pi d. Taking d as a common factor, it is d into 5 plus pi, giving values 35 into 5 plus the value of pi is 22 by 7. Simplifying, it is 285 millimeter. The answer of the first part is total length of the silver wire required is 285 millimeter, and answer of the second part, that is area of each sector, is 385 by 4 millimeter square. That is the answer. Okay.